Hi, it's Adrienne. How are you doing today? So I'm back again. I found this new highlighter and I just thought that it was absolutely amazing. So I wanted to go ahead and see what it looked like with a gold look. And I originally had on a pink and green gray kind of look with it. And I have one video out that has that look. And I didn't realize until I was about halfway through the video that there is so much gold in this highlighter that it might actually look better with a gold look. So I'm doing something I don't ever usually do, which is go back and redo and do a video, but do it a little bit differently. So to go ahead and start with what I have on, I did get the Skin Silk by Revolution, and I have that on, the L'Oreal Lumi Lotion as well. And then the NYX Bear With Me concealer. So this is what I have on for my base today. And then as far as what I did for the lips, I went ahead and got out the e.l.f. stain in red, and that's what I have on there. I did put on a little bit of the e.l.f., and this is one of their newer colors as far as their lip oils. But I think I'm going to go ahead and put on some of the Extreme Shine by Essence as well to give it more of a glossy finish. So one moment here. So there we go, and there's more of a glossy finish. So I guess officially I have all three on right now. So it would be this and this. So there we go. And that's a really pretty combination as well. As far as what I did for the cheeks, I got out Disney Villans by WetnWild, and this is over at Walmart. And I think it's still on their website over there, but I just thought that it was a really gorgeous color. Here's a swatch of it, and it definitely is a pinky peach kind of color. And so really gorgeous color. You do need to build it up a little bit, and I did go ahead and use the brush to go ahead and build it. And it just, I'm loving this colors. These colors, this cheek is just, it's got me motivated. So as far as highlighter, the highlighter, it's a NYX, and this is the Royal highlighter. It's from the Bridgerton collection. Really, really pretty. And you think that it's gold, but it's actually multi-chrome. So yeah, right now it's showing up gold, and there we go. In regular lighting, it shows up pink, and then again, under bright lights, it shows up gold. So it's definitely a multi-chrome. And they have another one in the collection, which is actually a really, really bright gold, and I'm not sure what it flips to, but like I said, this one is pink to gold, and so I do have that on the cheeks. I also have a little bit of the Lumi Lay Glass. This is the Balm, and what I find with the Balm is that it helps keep my highlighter where it's supposed to be instead of drifting into other areas. So I do have a little bit of the Balm on as well. And then what I went ahead and did for the eyes, and like I said, I have another video out that where I have a pink and green and gray eye. And with this one, I went ahead and did the gold. So I use the same palette. This is the Minka palette, and this one is by Adept. I started with Nora in the crease, and then I went ahead and did the Layla right from here to here. I did go ahead and do some of the Cora right here on the lid, and so that one is the gold that flips kind of green, and so that's what I have on as far as the eyes today. I do have the Colourpop eyeliner on as well. This is the way that it worked out. But like I said, when I was doing the first video, I didn't realize that this had so much gold in it, and I think it's going really well with the gold eye look as well. And then another new product that I got was the Essence Lash Without Limits. This is their tubing mascara, and I'm really enjoying this one as well. It's great to find a $5 mascara that really works well. So this one I'm really liking as well. Definitely would go ahead and recommend these. The formulas are definitely different, and they're working really, really well. I'm just the Wet n Wild, the Disney Villans collection, and the NYX of Bridgerton collection. Any of these products, they are so fun and so vibrant and, you know, so pigmented. So I just wanted to go ahead and see what it looked like with the gold eye. So yeah, that's the way that the makeup turned out. I guess it's the end of the video, and I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.